So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this um, video I'm just going to show you some hackers type, or you know what can I say, just um, go through my base. So I am basically rushing. I am a rushing base after TH9. I have continuously rushed since TH9. As you can see, I'm upgrading to Town Hall 13, and after Town Hall 13 only I am going to max it out. So as you can see, 99% of the defenses, if you go to see, are Town Hall 9 max according to Town Hall 9. After that I have maxed out nothing except gold storages, collectors, this barracks, spell factory, and the Town Hall as usual. So I'm just rushing. So in this video I'm going to just show you some not creepy, some types of players whom I have doubt on with let's go through it. I'm not getting words. So this player YQ no no YQYP YQYP YPL80. So this is the player ID. You can just go and check him. So last time I checked him, he was at a much better league. As you can now see him, he is at Crystal 3. All-time best was at Legend League, man, and Town Hall 7. So I'm just gonna visit him. Boom. Wow. Does he even has things to be at such? When he attacks, what does he do? If someone attacks on him, I'm pretty sure someone would, and he or she would be a very lucky person, because no defenses except this one shit out here and nothing else, and a very nice amount of loot. And this player is at TH7 since 2 years. Yeah, since 2 years he is at TH7 and players clan. Oh my god. He has two accounts create at which is at Masters 1, and this is at Masters Crystal. I'm sorry. And we have one more skit. Let's look at him. Oh, this is like poor guy. Now let's just see this. So even he is a legend league, but this person ID, I'm too scared. This one is capable of being at Legends, but I don't think that person, that the same player, had to be at Legends League at TH7, and he had more Legend trophies than him. Wow. That's the thing. So moving on to the next person, we will be having just a look. So this person is at Town Hall 9. This person is at Town Hall 9. Oops. Huh. He does not have a single troop, man. This is the part in which I'm seriously no words, man. No troops, but Town Hall 9. How's that even possible, man? Yeah. No. No. His name was Muhammad. I will just show this. As you can see, he is currently 717, and I would show you a person called Sumit. He is also a YouTuber. He's a very big YouTuber than me in Clash of Clans. When he went through it, it was like he had 612 trophies. His name was Muhammad, and now he's not in any clan, but I just, he was in Car Dessler clan, I guess. Yeah. So if we'll visit him, we will just see nothing except the X-bows. Literally nothing. And this laboratory was ahead of this Dark Elixir right here before when I just saw his video. And look at this base. He's now the unknown. Better be. And I'm going to show the most. No, I'm going to show a base that is a. These are not hackers. He must be have before 2012 in Clash of Clans. They could just sell the means. They could just sell objects like spell factory. What the hell I'm speaking? Spell factory, and also he has degraded his things. And these two are not hacker, except that legend one. But this is not purely a hacker. But the ID that I'm going to show you now is 100% a hacker. Wait, he is at Town Hall 2 and he has an Archer Queen and a Barbarian King. So he also must be had also done the same thing. He was TH9 and he degraded himself, but still I'm going to show you PJJ 0v9 YVP. No, YVP. Search. Oh, wait. I'm just going to go again. I'm going to confirm. PJJ YUP. I will just try YUP. Yup. What the hell, man? Come on, let's go back. This must be 0v9 YUP. Oh, this person is now not available. So I'm just going to show you screenshot. So basically I will just go here. Wait a second. Gallery. Please dude, open. Oops. A lot of screenshots, man. So where was I? Arey, move ahead, man. So sorry for this part. Come on. Yep. See, I had just taken a screenshot. That the YouTuber's name who showed him was Sumit007. Just go and check him on YouTube. So see, he is level 2. And if you ever got this base and if you visited him, the game would have crashed. So the nothing is means. So no words to say. Before, but since 2012 he had just stopped there and was waiting till 2020, almost 10 years, man. The only thing I am doubtful about is, fine, he has degraded everything, but poison, where is the poison spell? He has earthquake spell but not a poison spell. This is too much. And I told you, Muhammad, see, he has now turned to unknown. See, I told you he was in a clan 967 all-time best. No troops. Even the player tag same. You can just check it. So guys, only this much for this video. I hope so. You like the hackers and all. So we'll meet in the next video. Till that time, bye bye. See you soon. Oops, my phone.